Hello everyone, welcome all of you in my channel S&T Power Vision. In this series of DAX video, now I'll explain about the related table. So what is the related table, how it works, I'll explain in the detail. First, the related table function is a DAX function in Power BI that returns a table with all the rows related to the current row in a specified relationship. Now this function requires a table name as an input and work with the existing active relationship in this mode. Now this function can traverse multiple relationships and work on model with a one-to-one or many-to-one relationship. In the related table, basically one side calls for value from many sides. So we'll see in more detail here. This is one of our model view. Here we have many tables like customers, calendar, territory, product category, products, product subcategory, and sales. Now territory is one of the table here, contains like continent, country, region, some function, some function and total revenue are the two measures I have written. Now this is the sales table here. The relationship between territory and the sales is the means one to many. We can see its property over here. This is the territory key that is the connecting between two table cells and territory. Cardinality many to one. This is the active relationship and cross filter direction is the single. Okay. Now go to the data view here. Our first measure is the sum function here. Click here. We can get sum function is equal to sum of sales revenue here. See basically what is happening here. We are in the territory table. Now we are trying to get the details from the another table that is the sales table. What we are doing, we are making the sum of sales revenue. This is our sales table. Revenue is one of the means field here. In the territory table, we are making the sum of sales revenue which is from another table for which we don't have access. But we have to do it anyway. For that, we need the special access. And that the total revenue sum x. This is the related table DAX function. This function gives us access to get the data from the sales table and make the sums in the territory table here. So basically this is related table have it gives us that permission to get access data from the sales table here. Now this is our major total revenue is equal to sum x related table sales is that table name here as per the for syntax of the related table. Now in the sales revenue is the one of the field in the sales table. So this is the sum x related table name here sales after that sales field here like sales revenue here. Now this is the total revenue as per the new measure total revenue. We can see the different value here. Now basically related table one side call for value from many side. Now go to the model view here. We can see this is the territory. This is the sales here. Territory is on the one side and sales is on the many side here. Here means one side in the territory calls from value from the many side in the sales here. So we can see here. Earlier some function measure was giving the wrong result. After using the related table in the total revenue, we are getting the correct results. So this is all about the related table DAX function in Power BI.